Sound familiar? If your peaceful nights are interrupted by chronic snoring, there's help.
At the ENT Institute, we understand the irritation caused by snoring and the dangers of sleep apnea. Our friendly experts know how to treat your symptoms and turn those sleepless nights into peaceful nights. So call us now for a same-day appointment. The ENT Institute. Let our family take care of yours. Learn more at entinstitute.com.